In today's video, I will show you how to add a pop-up or drop-down menu in a numbers spreadsheet. First, select the cell where you want to insert the pop-up menu. Next, go to your toolbar and click on Format. After that, select Cell and then in the Data Format section, choose Pop-up menu. By default, you will see 3 items here. To edit them, simply double-click on each one. If you wish to add more items, click on the plus icon. Similarly, if you want to remove any item, select them and click on the minus icon. Great, our list is ready, but you may notice that the list starts with the first item in the list. To solve this, go back to Data Format section and select Start with Blank. Now everything is perfect. Once you have created your list, you can easily copy the pop-up list to other cell on your spreadsheet. To do this, hover over your mouse cursor over the cell, and when it becomes a double arrow, click and drag the cell to your desired location. That's it. So friends, if you found this video useful, please hit the like button and consider to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.